You find good products to promote is going to depend on what niche you want to be in. You really have to decide, do you want to help moms? Do you want to help people with their animals? Do you want to help with dogs and cats? What is your niche going to be? Is it going to be home items, cooking items, business? What is it? So for me, I've already been in the online business world for a few years, so I already knew some softwares and products that I've really enjoyed using over time. For me, it was really a no-brainer to start promoting a few of these products. Specifically, I have been a podcast manager for a few years, and so there's a few softwares that I recommend to all of my clients, and I just had not put it together that I should be an affiliate for these products when I'm recommending them all the time anyway. So that's my niche though. You have to look at what are your hobbies, what are you interested in, what do you want to promote and tell people about and recommend to people. That's where you would start, and then just Google. When you find that, just Google your niche and affiliate program. So if for me, business software affiliate program, or for you, maybe it's weight loss affiliate program or holistic pet care affiliate program. I go into even more detail in my free guide. If you want to check out my Stan store, it's available in there completely free. I spill all the details on how I got started and how you can too.